In this video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Canva editable link. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a particular design on Canva and you would like to share it with other people, but you want to give them the option to edit based off your template, all that you have to do is use the standard share option. So on Canva itself, when you are making a design, use this menu bar at the top and click the share option. So you will see it at the top right corner of the screen. You will see the option to share this design, and usually this link will simply give people the option to view this design. However, what you have to do if you want to share an editable link is to share the template link. So you can find the option here. It is usually going to be available, or just click on See All and you will find it now. So when you click on template link, this is what you are going to see. Anyone with the link can use this particular design as a template. Sign in is required, but you won't know who has made copies of this design. If you want to learn more, click the option here and they are going to guide you through the process. But basically, all that you have to do is choose the option to share. Now, you will require Canva Pro. Sadly, I don't know of any workarounds to this. It seems to be the only way for you to actually share an editable link, because all of the other options here are going to be public use. You can download this template for yourself, but if you want to share it so other people can base their work off of your template, you will have to use this option that requires Canva Pro. You can explore other options, and as long as you use the template link function under share, you will be able to share this link around with other people. You can do the same thing on mobile, so you just tap on the share icon when you are done making your design, go into the all options, and then under share, you will also have template link. If you click this option without Pro, as you saw, they will give you the option to start a free trial to see if you like it, and if you do, you will be able to share it with other people. I hope I was able to help you in how to share a Canva editable link. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.